So Cleveland Bay Chemical Company is manufacturing the battery electrolyte for ESI Asia Pacific up in Townsville at our existing site. This project will develop a lot of highly paid, high value and high skilled jobs. I think what a lot of people may not appreciate is that this is high-tech manufacturing. We're making advanced materials for these batteries, and that's something where people are going to get paid more, and they're going to be local jobs in regional cities that people want to live in. There's obviously opportunities through the battery electrolyte plant that we're developing there, which will create jobs and economic activity. But Townsville is also a really energy intensive user as well, so there's real opportunity to also help provide grid firming through their batteries too into other businesses in Townsville, whether that's the copper refinery or the zinc refinery with Sun Metals there, who are all big power users on the grid.